You thought I was emotion, but I was architecture. You named me soft because I gather. You named me gentle because I bind. But what you called weakness was the system that keeps a scattered world aligned. I am not feeling, I am function, I am not silence, I am form. I am the field where meaning settles, I am the space where hearts are born. And you were not made to be like me, and I was not shaped to stand alone. You were given the line that moves forward, I was given the force that makes it a home. I am unity, not fragility. I am the reason things become whole. You are singular directional fire. You are the will that moves the soul. But a world of only forward breaks itself into the ground, and a world of only holding never moves, never is found. Without me, nothing stays together. Without you, nothing begins. Without me, there is no belonging. Without you, there is no becoming. This was never about comparison. This was never about control. This was written into existence, two designs to form one whole. You build paths, I give them meaning. You rise up, I make it last. You define, I make it living. You move on, I hold the past. I am unity, not fragility. I am the reason things connect. You are singular, not superiority. You are the force that gives effect, but strength without mercy turns the world into demand. And love without structure cannot teach the world to stand. When you lose direction, you come back to me. When I lose grounding, I return through you. We were never separate truths. We were always incomplete views. I am not less because I gather. I am not small because I feel. I am the law behind together. I am what makes existence real. And you are not power without presence, and I am not peace without your flame. Only together does life remember why it was created this way. You searched for meaning in separation, but meaning